Hello everyone, this is MK. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Physical Universe with Zero. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel to support. So that's been said, let us now start our topic of discussion, which is numerical number 11. This numerical is based upon frequency of TV transmission line. So let us see our question. As you can see, here is the question. So question is, in optical communication system operating at 1200 nanometer, only 2% of source frequency is available for TV transmission having a bandwidth of 5 MHz. What is the number of TV channels that can be transmitted? So in this question we have a optical communication system. As you can see, here it is given. We have an optical communication system which operates at 1200 nanometer. 1200 nanometer, since it is nanometer, which means this is the wavelength, or you can say this is lambda. This is the wavelength. Only 2% of source frequency, means for this wavelength, this is the source wavelength. So frequency corresponding to this wavelength is your source frequency. So only 2% of source frequency is available for TV transmission. So for whole these wavelength there will be a frequency, and only 2% of those frequency will be available for TV transmission having a bandwidth of 5 MHz, and the bandwidth of transmission line is 5 MHz. Then what is the number of TV channels that can be transmitted? You have to find what will be the number of TV channels that can be transmitted. So let us see our solution. So given wavelength of optical communication, as it is given here, 1200 nanometer means 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So thus the frequency of optical communication system, since this is wavelength, as you know that the frequency is given by, this is optical, so which means this is light, electromagnetic wave. So since this is electromagnetic wave, so as you know that frequency is equal to velocity by wavelength. So since this is electromagnetic wave, hence its velocity will be equal to c, that is velocity of light, divided by lambda, that is wavelength, 1200 nanometer. So the frequency of optical communication, f is equal to c by lambda, or f is equal to, the value of c is, as you know that 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter, and lambda is given 1200 nanometer. So 1200 nanometer means 10 to minus 9 meter per second. So if you will solve this, you get 25 into 10 to the power 13. So this is the frequency, or you can say that this is the source frequency. This is the source frequency of your channel. And also it is given that available frequency of for TV. So this is your source frequency, as you know, as we have derived, this is the source frequency, this is, and as you can see here, only 2% of source frequency is available. So only 2% of this frequency is available for TV broadcasting. So you have to first find what is the 2% of this value. So now available frequency for TV is equal to f available is equal to 2% of this frequency f. So if you will solve this, so f available is equal to 2 by 100 into f, this is the value of f. So if you will solve this, you will get 5 into 10 to the power 12. So this is the available frequency. Now you get available frequency, as you can see, this is f available. So from here F available is equal to 2%. So 2% is basically 2 by 100. So this is your 2% of means multiplied by of F. F means this F. So this value. So this is your 25 into 10 to the power 13. So just put here 25 into 10 to the power 13. So if you will solve this, you will get 5 into 10 to the power 12 per second. So this is the available frequency for TV broadcasting. Now you can find that what is the number of TV channels. So this is the bandwidth. This is the bandwidth which is required. So this is the bandwidth of the TV channel transmission, and you have total this value. You have total this frequency, and this is the width of the frequency for a single channel. So the number of channels will be simply this frequency, total frequency available, divided by bandwidth, this. So the next is also given that bandwidth is equal to, that is delta f is equal to 5 megahertz. Megahertz means 10 to the power 6. So 5 megahertz is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. So this is the frequency for a single channel, and you have total this frequency. This is the total width of frequency. So therefore total number of channels is equal to F available. Therefore total number of channels is equal to F available. F available means this value. This is F available divided by delta F. Delta F means this is your delta F. So F available is simply this 5 into, this is your F available, 5 into 10 to the power 12 divided by delta F. So this is your delta F. So if you will solve this, you will get 10 to the power 6. So the total number of channels that can be transmitted through this is 10 to the power 6, means 1 million. So the corresponding answer is 1 million. This is the answer for this question. That's been said. If you like my channel, then please subscribe, and thank you. Have a nice day.